So good morning and Jai Hind everyone. We are starting now the comet portion of chapter symmetry. From NCRT we have completed this chapter and now we are going to start the comet portion of it. So for the comet portion, our first classwork portion is take the correct option. What it is telling? Which of the following alphabets has maximum line of symmetry? We have four alphabets here. One is A, another one is O, another one is B, and the next one is Q. Now it is asking which alphabet has maximum line of symmetry. Let us see. A has only one line of symmetry. O has two line of symmetry. B has one line of symmetry, but Q is not having any line of symmetry. So which alphabet has maximum line of symmetry? Answer is O. Question number 1 done. Question number 2. Question number 2 is telling which of the following numeral has one line of symmetry. The options are 8, 3, 0 and 4. So सबसे पहले बेटा 4 is not having line of symmetry. Now let us see of 0. 0 has two line of symmetry. 8 has also two line of symmetry, and 3 has only one line of symmetry. So the answer will be 3. Move on to the question number 3. Question number 3 is telling what is the mirror image of B. Mirror image में क्या होता है बेटा? If B is looking like this, in mirror, B will look like this. Okay, so the answer will be this type of option. It means option number D. Question number 4. Which of the following figures does not have a line of symmetry? Options are rectangle. If you must be remembering, rectangle had two line of symmetry. हमने पढ़ा था rectangle को. Parallelogram, if you must be remembering, we did not have any line of symmetry in parallelogram. Square, we had four line of symmetry. Isosceles triangle, we had one line of symmetry. So the answer for question number 4 will be parallelogram. Parallelogram. Parallelogram is the answer of it. Question number 5. Question number 5 is telling here the shape with a diagonal line of symmetry. It means ऐसा कौन सा figure है जिसमें line of symmetry जो होगी वो diagonal होगी. So I am sure you must have got this answer by your own only. The answer will be this figure. Because in this way the line of symmetry will go like this, है ना? Yes. So the answer will be option number A. ठीक है, option number A of fifth one. Yes, like an angle. Absolutely correct, Ojal. So question number 1 is done. Now students, question number 2. Question number 2 is fill in the blanks. What it is telling? First question of fill in the blanks is some figures have no line of symmetry. These figures are called, what we call it? Asymmetric objects. If you must be remembering, we have done this, है ना? Asymmetric objects. You can also call them non-symmetric objects. Okay, you can also call them non-symmetric objects. Move on to the second fill in the blanks. The line about which a figure is symmetrical is called line of symmetry. Okay, we call it line of symmetry to that line. Question number 3. The line of symmetry is also called axis of symmetry. We have two names, remember, है ना, हम उसको दो नामों से बुलाते हैं. One name is line of symmetry and another one is, we call it axis of symmetry. Line of symmetry and another name is axis of symmetry. Move on to the fourth fill in the blanks. It is telling the blank of a circle is its line of symmetry, the diameter. If you must be remembering, we have done this also. In circle, the line of symmetry is all diameter. Okay, so in circle, the line of symmetry is only diameter. Now, fifth one, find out the numbers from 0 to 9. Those have line of symmetry written in a digital calculator. Can you please tell me, this I have taught. Tell me which digits have line of symmetry in calculator starting from 0. Okay, correct. First one is 0. Second one is 1. Third one is 3. And the next one is 8. 0, 1, 3, 8. And please remember beta, calculator के digit अलग तरह से बनते हैं and normal digits अलग तरह से होते हैं, है ना? So calculator digit it is asking, so we will be writing for calculator digit only. Move on to question number 3. Question number 3 is, choose the correct option. It is telling a line symmetry is symmetrical about its perpendicular bisector. I am explaining this with the figure to you, है ना? इसको हम समझाते हैं. पहले आप टिक कर लीजिए. I will be explaining it to you. Perpendicular bisector. And for next question, it is telling a semicircle has 2 line of symmetry, 3 line of symmetry, and 1 line of symmetry. Answer is 1 line of symmetry. Semicircle has 1 line of symmetry. You must be remembering, ये सारी चीजें बेटा हमने पढ़ चुकी है ना, हम लोगों ने हर फिगर कवर कर चुका है. So remember, you have to just write it down the answers. Now let me tell you what is perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector means, सबसे पहले तो वर्ड डिस्क्राइब करते हैं. परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर मींस परपेंडिकुलर प्लस बाइसेक्टर. सो पहले बात करते हैं बाइसेक्टर क्या होता है. बाइसेक्टर मींस अ लाइन व्हिच डिवाइड्स एनीथिंग इनटू 2 पार्ट्स. ठीक है, एंड 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स. रिमेंबर, जब भी हम बात करेंगे कहीं पर वर्ड मिलेगा हमको बाइसेक्टर, तो याद रखिएगा बाइसेक्टर की मीनिंग होती है कि जब भी कोई लाइन किसी भी पार्ट को 2 इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड कर देती है, उसे बोलते हैं हम बाइसेक्टर. ठीक है, अगर कोई लाइन 8 सेंटीमीटर की है तो बाइसेक्टर उसको 4 में डिवाइड कर देगी. अगर कोई एंगल 60 डिग्री का है तो उसको बाइसेक्टर 30 के एंगल में डिवाइड कर देगा. ओके, सो बाइसेक्टर का मतलब होता है 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना. अब आती है बारी परपेंडिकुलर. आपने देखा हम लोग जितनी भी लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री ड्रॉ करते हैं इन एनी ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, इट इज ऑलवेज स्ट्रेट. Straight means whether you draw it horizontally or you draw it vertically, it is always straight. Straight like a perpendicular. Perpendicular means the line which is making 90-degree angle as well. ठीक है, so remember perpendicular bisector का मतलब होता है the line which is making 90-degree angle and also dividing anything into 2 equal parts. Is it clear now? Reply to me, yes or no. Okay, very good. Ashima has also done it. So now we are on comet symmetry only, and we are on next pattern of the question, that is homework pattern. Question number 1 of homework pattern, it is asking, draw the line of symmetry for the following figure. So you will see the first figure is drawn like this. Okay. Now I want you all to please draw line of symmetry by your own. Draw करिए फटाफट से और बताइए how many line of symmetry will be there in this. ठीक है, आप खुद से करिए because this is homework pattern है ना, and this is also B1. This is also you have to draw it by your own. Try करो फटाफट से और बताओ how many line of symmetry it will be having. Draw it faster. Okay. Yes, second figure, one line of symmetry. You are very correct. Students have drawn it also. Okay. I am drawing this one correct. Now tell me now A1. How many line of symmetry in A1? Figure A. Correct. Okay. It's one line of symmetry if the figure is like this. If the figure is a regular pentagon, remember, if your figure is a regular pentagon, then line of symmetry will be 5. Remember always, if figure is a regular pentagon, the line of symmetry will be 5. Okay. Move on to the next question, question number 2. In question number 2, beta, the figure is drawn here and you have to find out the value of x. Now look at here. This type of figure is drawn. Okay. And in between a mirror is placed. In between a mirror is placed. This is mirror. Okay. And this is written here 5 centimeter. And this is written here x. This is written object. And here it is written image. Now you tell me, after guessing your answer, what do you think? What is the value of x in the question? Tell me faster. If in between the mirror is placed, okay, sorry, Ojal. So, okay, these are the questions only, na beta. Tell me faster, what is the value of x in this? If mirror is placed in between, and one side you have object, another side you have image, and you have to tell that what is the distance between these two. What is the answer? Absolutely correct. Answer will be 5 centimeter only. Okay, answer will be 5 centimeter only. Why? Because it is placed, mirror is placed. So it means जितना यहाँ पर होगा बेटा उतना ही distance इधर भी होगा. So if it is 5, this will also be 5 centimeter only. Fine? Yes. This is mirror image of 5 centimeter. The answer will be 5 centimeter only. Now move on to the next question. The figure is drawn and you have to write it down. Other two sides of the figure and line of symmetry is also mentioned in the question. Okay? So I am just rubbing this. Now this time the question is question number 3. It is telling the figure is drawn and it is telling the figure has one line segment of 3 centimeter. ठीक है? One line segment is given of 3 centimeter. आपको बताना है कि इसकी दोनों साइड का मेजरमेंट कितना होगा. And it is also given that it has 3 line of symmetry. तो सबसे पहले आप मुझे बताओ that which triangle has 3 line of symmetry? Tell me faster. Which triangle has 3 line of symmetry? I have taught this. Tell me faster. Very good, Arav. Absolutely correct. Other students, please reply. Yes, Manya. Yes, Ojal. You both are right. The answer is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle on which all the 3 sides are of equal length and it has all the it has 3 line of symmetry. So it means इसकी ये वाली दोनों sides कितनी हो जाएंगी? 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. So हमको मिल गया 1 answer. ठीक है? and now we have to draw line of symmetry as well. So अगर आपको draw करना है तो आप draw भी कर सकते हो, ठीक है? So this is one line of symmetry, this is another line of symmetry, and this is another line of symmetry. I told you na beta that whatever we have studied in this chapter, उससे extra कुछ भी exam में नहीं आएगा. You can see the comet we are doing right now. Everything is coming from that only what I have already taught you. Okay, so another set of questions will not be the part of your exam. Symmetry is very simple and very easy chapter. Move on to the second one. It is telling which triangle has one line of symmetry. Can you please tell me which triangle has one line of symmetry? I taught you this also. जल्दी बताओ. Which triangle has one line of symmetry? Very good. Absolutely correct. It's isosceles triangle. Yes. An isosceles triangle means one of the side will become 2 centimeter only. ठीक है? ये वाली हो गई 2. And the third side which you have to find out, can you please tell me what, measure it with the help of scale and tell me what is the measurement of it. जल्दी से बताओ फटाफट से. Tell me. What is the measurement of third side? इसको फटाफट से स्केल से मेजर करिए और बताइए what is the measurement. Measure it faster using your comet. Those who have comet, measure करिए फटाफट से और बताइए what is the line. Okay, 2.2. Okay, Gauri has written 2.2. Other students, okay, 2.2 only. Fine, thank you. The answer is 2.2 centimeter. Fine. So this question is also completed. Now move on to the next question, question number 4. It is telling draw rough diagram of the following. First one is 4 alphabets which has only vertical line of symmetry. अब क्या करना है आपको? फटाफट से ड्रॉ करना है अल्फाबेट जिनके पास वर्टिकल लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री होती है. Draw it faster. Question number 4. You have to draw 4 alphabets which has only vertical line of symmetry. So vertical line of symmetry मतलब होता है what? This is vertical, no? ये वाली line of symmetry. So just see that which alphabets have line of symmetry. सबसे पहला तो you have A. Then think of it. और कौन सा होता है? जल्दी से सोच कर बताओ. एक के अलावा क्या होता है? I have taught this. Which has only one line of symmetry? T. Okay, correct. T. Okay, this is also right. Your answer is correct. T. Or W. Okay, correct. W. I have done this one in our fair copy only. So आप अपनी कॉपी से देखकर बताइए जल्दी से. W. This is also correct. और सोचकर बताइए. One more. Tell me because we want 4. Okay. W हो गया और W के अलावा A हो गया, T हो गया, W हो गया. One more. Beta vertical. It is asking vertical. Vertical means like this. Okay. Yes. Answer is M. Okay. Answer is M also. Answer will not be I because question is telling it should be only vertical line of symmetry. Only. ठीक है. Horizontal नहीं होना चाहिए. Yes. This is done. We can also do it V. We can also do it W, U. ठीक है. W हो गया. We can also do it U. But it is telling you have to write it down only 4 alphabets which has only vertical line of symmetry. ठीक है. तो vertical we have done it now. Can you please tell me now question number B, it is telling 4 alphabets which has both vertical and horizontal line of symmetry. Now tell me ऐसे figure जिसमें vertical भी होता है and horizontal भी होता है. vertical and horizontal both. Clear? Listen clearly what I am telling. Okay, correct answer. The answer is first H. Beta, I think you people have not seen the recording which I have shared with you of alphabet. Please draw all the alphabets on your fair copy. Remember this, I taught you. And please जिन्होंने नोट नहीं किया उसको नोट करिए. पहला आंसर हो गया H. H has both the line of symmetry. Alphabet. Okay, correct. I. Correct answer. I as well. Yes. So I also have vertical line of symmetry and horizontal line of symmetry. Correct. O. Yes. Correct answer is O as well. Okay. Very correct. Thank you, Sindhuja, for telling me. Yes. O will also be the answer because O has vertical line of symmetry as well and horizontal line of symmetry as well. O भी हो गया और X. Great. Very good. Answer is X also. X also have vertical line of symmetry and horizontal line of symmetry also. Okay. So answer is HIOX. These are the 4 alphabets which have vertical and horizontal line of symmetry both. Okay. This is also completed. Now move on to the next question. It's complete the table. It's complete the table. Page number 110. Complete the table, page number 110. The letters are given and you have to tell how many line of symmetry they have, and you have to draw also the figure of line of symmetry in them. So I am waiting for you all. Please do this question by your own and then we will be discussing this. I am giving you 2 minutes of time. Just do the questions faster. Now page number 110, question number 1. It is telling, find the alphabets with the line of symmetry in the following words. We have 2 words written here, beta. Humble. H-U-M-B-L-E. This is first word. Second word is written here, courageous. C-O-U-R-A-G-E-O-U-S. Courageous. Now what you have to do, you have to write it down which alphabets have line of symmetry. So सबसे पहले हम इनमें से केवल वही अल्फाबेट्स लिखेंगे जिनमें लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री होती है. H में होती है, U में भी होती है, M में भी होती है, B में भी होती है, L में नहीं होती है, E में होती है. ठीक है, आप फटाफट से ड्रॉ कर लीजिए. This is 2 line of symmetry. This is 1 line of symmetry. This is also 1 line of symmetry. This is 1 line of symmetry. And this is also 1 line of symmetry. So you have to draw the alphabets which have the line of symmetry, okay? In this question. Finished. Okay, H, U, M, B, and E. Now move on to the second question, second word, which is courageous. Now in the word courageous, which alphabets have line of symmetry? सबसे पहले mention करते हैं. One is C. O is also having line of symmetry. U is also having line of symmetry. R is not there. A. उसके बाद G is not having line of symmetry. E. Okay. E is also there. उसके बाद O we have already written. W we have already written. S is not having line of symmetry. ठीक है. So जो आपने already लिख चुका है, जिनको एक बार उसको दोबारा करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है. So this is C. So one is C. C is having horizontal line of symmetry. Now O. Yes, it also have line of symmetry. Okay, this is also line of symmetry now. U, yes, it has line of symmetry. A, yes, it has line of symmetry. E, yes, it has line of symmetry. So this question is also completed. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is telling, write the mirror image of your name. Mirror image of your name means you have to, how your name will look like in mirror, that you have to write it down. Okay? Suppose I am writing my name RANU. Okay? There are some alphabets which will look like same. ठीक है, कुछ अल्फाबेट्स ऐसे हैं जो बिल्कुल सेम दिखेंगे, लेकिन कुछ जो है वो ऑपोजिट दिखेंगे। तो अब हम लोग अपने नाम की मिरर इमेज लिखते हैं। ठीक है, सो ये हो गया हमारे पास। सबसे पहले तो आर ऐसा दिखेगा, ठीक है, ए बिल्कुल वैसा ही दिखेगा जैसा दिख रहा है, ठीक है, एन विल लुक लाइक, and you will also look like same only. ठीक है, so my name will look like this type of pattern. ठीक है, what you have to do is you have to see your name in the mirror and think how your name will look like in the mirror. ठीक है, so आपको अपने नेम के अकॉर्डिंग अपने नेम की स्पेलिंग इस तरीके से लिखनी है कि वो कैसे मिरर इमेज में दिखेगी. So you have to do this question by your own way. Okay. Yes, Ojal, you are right. Very good. Your name is also looking similar, है ना? बस J उल्टा जाएगा और L, बाकी everything is same. Yes, correct. Now move on to question number 6. Question number 6 is telling here, pick the correct option. Which of the following shape has one line of symmetry? Semicircle. Yes, semicircle also has one line of symmetry. Rhombus, two line of symmetry. Kite, yes, one line of symmetry. Isosceles, yes, one line of symmetry. I think इस क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा सा गलत पूछा गया है. ठीक है, आई थिंक दिस क्वेश्चन हैज लिटिल रॉन्ग सेंस. एक्चुअली इस क्वेश्चन में पूछा जा रहा है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग शेप हैज वन लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री, एंड देयर आर 3 ऑप्शंस जिनमें वन लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री है. तो आप क्या करिए, तीनों को टिक कर दीजिए. ठीक है, या तो इस क्वेश्चन को ऐसा होना चाहिए था कि which figure has not one line of symmetry, है ना? So यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन को उल्टा पूछा गया है, तो we will be also doing the same. Semicircle, one line of symmetry होती है, we all know. Rhombus, two line of symmetry होती है. Kite, we have done that. Kite also have one line of symmetry. And isosceles triangle also has one line of symmetry. ठीक है, so यहाँ पर हम टिक करेंगे ये वाला एंड ये वाला. Now question number 2 of this one, it is telling which of the following figure has maximum line of symmetry. Can you please tell me which figure has maximum line of symmetry? I think your answer will be option number B, है ना? Option number B. Plus, है ना, this figure will have maximum line of which will have maximum line of symmetry. So beta, we have completed the comet of chapter symmetry. Homework part, 2 questions I am leaving for you. ठीक है, one is value based and question number 2 is you have to draw the line of symmetry in alphabets. ठीक है, question number 3 में it is written, there was a poster making competition organized in a school and the topic was polite. Topic was polite. One child was not able to bring the color due to the lack of money. Shyam helped the boy and gave him color. Because of this, he himself became late in that competition. Finally, he was surprised to know that he got the first prize as his poster was giving message to the society. Draw the line of symmetry of the alphabets polite on the graph paper. Now you have to use graph paper and you have to write down the spelling of polite, Polite. जैसे हमने humble में किया था ना, the same way you have to do it in the word polite and आपको line of symmetry draw करनी है. Now it is asking which value is depicted by Shyam. आपको क्या लगता है, श्याम ने जब हेल्प करी उस लड़के की और वो खुद भी लेट हो गया, आपको क्या लगता है इससे आपने क्या सीखा? It can be helping, it can be thoughtful as well, he was sharing as well, है ना? So it can be the value in this. Now it is asking find one good quality of your best friend and draw the line of symmetry in letters wherever possible. अब देखो इस क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है, आपको अपने एक बेस्ट फ्रेंड का नाम चूज करना है. ठीक है, यू हैव टू चूज अ बेस्ट फ्रेंड नेम. आप कोई भी एक बेस्ट फ्रेंड का नाम सोच लीजिए पहले. सपोज मैंने चूज किया सपोज नाम कनीज का. ठीक है, सपोज कनीज इज माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड. ठीक है, अब नाउ व्हाट आई विल बी थिंकिंग, आई विल बी थिंकिंग वन गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ कनीज. सपोज कनीज इज वेरी जेनरस. ठीक है, तो आई विल बी राइटिंग द जेनरस वर्ड and after writing the word generous, I will be drawing the line of symmetry in generous alphabets. G में E, N, E, R, O, U, S ऐसे करके I will be drawing the line of symmetry in the word generous. Is it fine to you all now? Any confusion in any question of the symmetry? Please tell me. Okay, no question. Fine. So thank you very much for this symmetry we have completed now. From tomorrow, we'll start a new chapter, beta.